I wake up early every morning. I brush my teeth after I wake up. I take a shower before breakfast. I drink a cup of coffee in the morning. I get dressed and go to work. I start work at 9 o'clock. I take a short break at noon. I finish work at 5 in the afternoon. I cook dinner for my family. I go to bed at 10. I live in a small city. I work in an office. I have many good friends. I speak English every day. I enjoy meeting new people. I like helping others. I spend time with my family. I love quiet places. I stay at home on weekends. I enjoy listening to music. I need a new jacket. I like this color very much. I pay with my credit card. I carry my own bag. I buy fresh fruits and vegetables. I always check the price. I save money every month. I prefer simple clothes. I wear comfortable shoes. I like shopping in the morning. I like eating at home. I drink tea in the evening. I love warm soup on cold days. I eat healthy food every day. I prefer water instead of soda. I cook dinner for my family. I clean the table after dinner. I enjoy trying new dishes. I eat slowly and relax. I like sweet desserts. I walk to work every day. I live near the park. I like quiet streets. I cross the bridge every morning. I see many cars on the road. I stop at the traffic light. I sit on a bench in the park. I enjoy the fresh air. I watch people passing by. I love sunny days. I travel by bus to work. I like short trips. I always pack my bag early. I keep my passport in a safe place. I enjoy watching the view from the train. I arrive on time. I follow the signs at the station. I take a taxi when I'm tired. I walk when the weather is nice. I sit near the window on the plane. I feel happy today. I feel tired in the evening. I feel better after a good sleep. I feel excited before a trip. I feel calm in nature. I feel cold in winter. I feel warm in the sun. I feel nervous sometimes. I feel proud of my work. I feel relaxed at home. I understand the situation. I agree with your idea. I like this place a lot. I believe everything will be fine. I trust my friends. I hope to see you soon. I remember your face. I forget names easily. I enjoy quiet mornings. I prefer short conversations. I read a book every night. I write in my notebook every day. I check my phone too often. I clean my room every week. I exercise twice a week. I drink a lot of water. I sleep at the same time every night. I keep my home clean. I use my time carefully. I take care of my health. I love my life. I enjoy learning new things. I like simple solutions. I try to stay positive. I keep my promises. I learn something new every day. I work hard to reach my goals. I believe in myself. I make time for my hobbies. I live one day at a time.